Hello, today I am standing in front of the building of yintian-diamondtools industry. You can see behind the building, this is the office building of yintian-diamondtools industry. This industry is a leading manufacturer for diamond saw blade and which are most famous for the diamond saw blades such as granite, marble, also for the segments in the market. Today I will introduce in the industry area and their production procedure, and inside the office building how the staff are working. In the next video I will show you how they're working. Let's go with me for watch their production line. Right now I arrived in front of the building of the segment processing center. You can see behind this building it's called the powder blending center. So in this powder blending center they blend the powder, and after this they send to the cold press and they make single layer, also multi-layer segment. I will let you visit inside this building how they're working, the worker. Right now I am standing in front of the polishing center. They are polishing here after finish their food. I will show you inside how they are polishing the surface. And after finishing the polishing, they transfer the saw blade in this center and they making painting and hanging the saw blade like this. It's too much good working environment and too much big factory. Now I am standing in front of the center, what is saw blade welding center. This center they do the welding, and after finish the welding they also test how is the welding, is that strong or not, and they again do the welding. And this center they are doing the high frequency welding. I will show you inside how they are working and doing the welding. From this side they are doing the sinter blade hot press, also the cold press. This industry is getting popular day by day in the market for their quality and for their price. Indian industry in the market since 1997, and this factory production is increasing day by day. That's why they also increase their factory every times for manage their production and the satisfaction of their customer. This all about to this industry, and thank you for watching this video. And one more info for the communication with diamond tools industry, you can directly visit to their website. Their website is www.ytdtwl.com. Thanks once again. Bye bye.